So good day everyone, how to get an exit permit here at Kuwait because an expatriate, if we will go for vacation, we need already to obtain exit permit or sponsor our company. So what you things you need is you must have the application in your mobile, the Sahil application, because from here we will request the exit permit to our company. Okay, so I want to share based on my experience when I get my exit permit, when I request to our company, when I go vacation, and I make days, 5 days prior to my vacation, because there's a company or sponsors that you will get the same time, the same day, and there's also with my friend, he shared to me that he wait for a few days before they approve the exit permit because they need to follow up. So okay, but before we start, I'm Ronnie, a Filipino, an expatriate here at Kuwait. Okay, so let's go. But don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. We need to open now our Sahil application through our mobile. Okay, so we are already here at the screen. Okay, this is our Sahil application. We will open it. Then after we open, we need to find the services up down. Okay, okay, that's the services in down. Then after that, scroll up. We need to find out the public authority for manpower. Okay, after that, click it. Then we need the next is expatriate worker services. Click again. Then issue. After that, issue exit permit. Then after that, next, click it. Then here you will find start date of exit permit. From here, what I said, I do this 5 days prior to my vacation. Then I choose 13. Okay. Click it. Then down, press OK. And the next is end date of exit permit. Click again. And I make an few disallowance so that example my flight will be delayed, still I have valid the exit permit. So after that, click OK. In here I put 13 to 19. Okay, so yes, 9 until 19. Then click again OK. Then after that, submit the application. Okay, when you submit, what I said, some of the company you need to wait a few days, but thanks because for me, when I submit on this spot, I get the exit permit. Okay, so here after we submit, your request have been received under the number. There's a number. Okay, so what I said, I get on same day. So it's already ready and just download it. So once I download it, I said to just save to your cell phone, or you can make a copy. You can print. At least you have already anything what happened to your cell phone, you have that a copy with you. So what I said here already is ready to download, and I already put the name at the file as a exit permit. But see, for me, is to find out in my cell phone. That's it. It's already done. I got my work permit, and there's also one way you will get the find out if it's issue and the notification. And on the top, you will find out once your company or sponsor approve, you will find out. So here, this is now my exit permit, and it's ready already. So what I said, you can do this a few days prior to your flight. Don't make or request exit permit 1 day or 1 day or 2 day prior to your vacation, because in somehow what I said, I have a friend that he shared to me that when he requests the exit permit, he wait for a few days before he got it, because he need to follow up with his sponsor or company to give him exit permit. And what I said, don't also put the 1 day that the what do you call this, the start date in the end day of the exit permit, because what I said, if something happen, especially what happened right now, if there's a delay in your flight, you will get a trouble. So put an a few days extension with your exit permit, because what I said, there's indicate there that start date of the exit permit and the end date of the exit permit. So if you will put 3 days, 5 days, I think that is okay, because in that day you need to use that exit permit. Then after that, if the date end date and following day is your flight, example, you got an cancel flight or emergency or whatsoever, you need to again to request another a valid exit permit. So at least what I said, give it an allowance. Don't put only 1 day on your exact flight, the date of your exact flight. Put an allowance, because this is as my experience, and also my friend, I asked them when they go for vacation, they do also like this, because there's some news before. My friend told that they got an trouble regarding this, because what I said, if you have an cancel flight or whatsoever, at least you are safe. Okay. So thank you very much. Just easy. Print, request your exit permit prior your flight. Thank you very much. And hopefully this video is helpful for you as a guide only, because this is based on my experience when I get my exit permits. Thank you very much. Have a nice and great day to all of you. And again, I'm Ronnie, an expatriate or overseas Philippine workers here at Kuwait. Please support my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that you will update if I have a new videos. Have a nice and great day to all of you.